Hi, this is my review with this Bavin fast adapter charger from Shopee. I bought this from 100 something pesos and it's got delivered to us, so we'll be reviewing this one. This is an adaptive charger which can adapt to almost every kind of Android and iPhone device that supports quick charging. This one right now has a rated voltage of 2.4 milliamperes, 9 volts, that is for 2 amperes output, and we have 12 volts, 1.5 amperes output. The 5 volts one applies for 2.4 ampere rating output. And let's see about what it can do. I'll be using an app to check the charging capability of this one. I'll be recording this off it, so check out. I'm gonna be using this one now for the LG G6, which supports the Quick Charge 3.0 by Qualcomm. So let's check out what will be the time for this to load this phone.